welcome to Craft Kids. So today it's raining outside, so I can't do anything except I got a few crafts. It's a bouncy ball, and you could get this at Amazon. So I want to tell you what you're gonna need. It comes as most of them. It comes with a spray bottle, but you need to fill it with water like I did. You need a bowl of water, and then that's about it. You also need a scissors because so it could be easier to open. Put you down. So this one is the size of a tennis ball. This one is the size of a golf ball. And these are like the size of a cute tiny ball. I might do all of them. And it comes with those molds. It comes with a spray bottle. And it comes with these toothpicks so you could shape them. And it comes with a powder. So that's about all you need. It also comes with the instructions. It says you need warm water. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Craft Kids. So I got my water right here. It's a bowl of water. I'm going to grab my scissors. I'm just going to open a tiny slit so I can get the rest open. Because those are not good scissors. Well, they are, but they're for like food. Whoa, we have a million different colors. Ah! There's a ton of colors, but we have to organize our stuff. We have our yellows. Let's grab one packet. Oh, I do think I just opened it. We have yellows, pinks, blue, everything. So we have a ton of molds and so amazing. And you need to close them. So all they do is snap. It might be a little tough, but you gotta snap them really well. Okay, so I'm gonna do my big one first. First, I am gonna grab them. I don't know what I'm gonna do, so I'm just gonna, which color? There's a ton of colors. Look at yellow first. Oopsie. Yeah, I may have to put it open. This is like a saltiness. Oh wow. I spit a lot. Saw yellows. There's pretty much the yellows in here. I think I should have started with the small one first. So see, that's fine. And the videos make it look so easy, but like it's actually really hard. 6 plus, that's what it said on the instruction. So make sure it's because like you don't eat these. There's enough to eat. Then I'm gonna grab some of my like orange, no green. Not orange. And cut a tiny slit so I can get my water. Because I wanted it to not end it up like the last one. Nice and slowly, but not too slowly. Because that'll take me like an hour. There you go. I'm gonna grab my toothpick now, and I'm gonna make sure like I think that's good for now, and then we grab water and just stick it in, and you want to style it. I'm just gonna poke it, make sure it's all in, and stick it in the water. See those holes? It's going up. Make sure it goes all around. Put a little water inside. We could do 28 of some until the paddle runs out. Basically, that's what I mean. This is the final test. That was so.